Hi, I'm Alder from Solar Warehouse. Do you have plans for the 9th of September?
And I'm Stacey, and we're going to be at Smart Energy Council on the 9th of September.
It's a great chance to catch up with you in person, and we'll review the new ICO range of products. We'll have the all-black, 3rd gen, Infinite Series, and the 650 watt Comet.
And if you've ever wanted to lay your eyes on our SIG Custom Pro Plaque, now's the time. We'll be showcasing this and our Enphase microinverters, the most powerful ever released.
It's called the IQ8P, and it can be paired with panels up to 630 watts. And while we're on the subject of Enphase, we've got the new Flex Phase battery. It's in stock.
And remember, it's not all about products. You can also earn CBD points with our co-founder David in our switchboard compliance training.
And explore what's new with companies like Jinko, Tindo, iStore, Franklin. What's that last one? Oh yeah, SIG Energy.
And don't forget to come and see us at our AC Solar Warehouse booth on the 9th of September. We're looking forward to meeting you.
Networking drinks at 5 p.m. We'll see you there.